Here we have a 2017 Honda Accord Sport. Comes with a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine, automatic transmission in a gray color. Let's take a look inside. Coming inside, have a nice armrest, power locks, windows and mirrors, black cloth and leather upholstery, power driver and lumbar support. Inside, air vent, econ mode, traction control, forward collision alert, lane keep assist. Got our radio and Bluetooth controls on the left-hand side, paddle shifter, automatic headlights, fog lights, adaptive cruise control functions there as well. Your rain wipers for the front. Coming to the infotainment, we got two screens. Up there, you'll see the backup camera shortly. CD player. Take a peek at our source list for our radio. You got AM, FM, CD player, USB, iPod, Bluetooth. Look at the radio screen here as well. If you want to connect your phone, do so via this screen here. You'll have access to your speed dial, phone book, and call history. Our settings. See a clock, phone, camera, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, smartphone. Got our Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Vehicle settings. Got your tire pressure monitoring, system calibration, your driver assist system setup, keyless access, door setup, maintenance info. Driver assist, we got our forward collision warning, adaptive cruise control, road departure mitigation, and your lane keep assist. Moving on down, dual zone automatic climate control functions, start stop engine button, got a 12-volt power outlet, heated seats for the driver and the passenger, backup camera, manual park brake, 2 cup holders, center console with 12-volt and USB input, power tilt side sunroof, got a sunglass holder, your sunroof controls, interior lighting options, and a rear view mirror. Let's take a look outside. At the front, have our LED daytime running lights, chrome finish grille, Honda badge in the middle, black and silver alloy rims, Honda rims at that. Paint matching mirrors, chrome colored door handles with keyless entry feature, tinted windows for the front and rear, your Accord badge, dual exhaust, sport badge on the right, little lip spoiler. Let's take a look at the back seat. Come in the back seats, have a nice armrest, power windows, tons of legroom and headroom, that same leather and cloth upholstery as we have in the front. Let's head back outside. That will wrap it up for the 2017 Honda Accord Sport in a gray color. If you guys have any questions or want to book test drive, please visit us at parkmazda.ca.